Good morning.
Good morning, Chalan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Section C and F only. Today again, lucky enough to have the first period.
Math.
Section C. I'm going to start with your section now. Aninja,
Yes, ma'am.
Aninja, are you there? Aparna,
Present, ma'am.
okay, fine. Harapriya, Harapriya, are you there? Lagnajita, Manisha,
Ma'am, present, Lagnajita.
yes, Lagnajita, I could see, but face not shown. Nivedita,
Ma'am, the camera is not working.
okay, okay. Nivedita, Rattasa,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Rima Panna, Saloni, Shraddhanjali, Sneha,
Present, ma'am.
who? Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see you. Shubhra,
Present, ma'am.
Surabhi,
Present, ma'am.
this semester, Tamanna, Vijeta,
Present, ma'am.
Abhash, Aditya, Aditya Om
Present,
Pradhan,
ma'am.
who? Aditya Adhikari,
Yes, ma'am.
I couldn't see your face.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Okay. Aditya Om Pradhan,
Ma'am, I am present.
who? Aditya Om Pradhan,
No, ma'am, Abhas Behra.
okay. Aditya Om Pradhan, Anshul,
Present, ma'am.
Anshuman,
Present, ma'am.
Ashutosh Aryaman,
Present, ma'am.
Ashutosh Dupar,
Present, ma'am. Present.
Atman Chintak, Ayush Case,
Present, ma'am.
Bhupesh,
Present, ma'am.
Vishwaranjan, Hare Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit,
I'm present, ma'am.
who?
Harshit,
Your
ma'am.
camera not working or what? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Have a proper material to use your live class, Shalan.
11
Jaydev?
Present, ma'am.
Jaydev, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mukesh? Nirmal?
Present, ma'am.
Piyush?
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush?
Present, ma'am.
Roshan?
Present, ma'am.
Satyam?
Present, ma'am.
Shamit? Suplas? Binay?
Ma'am,
Priyadarshini?
Supla's present, ma'am.
Who?
Ma'am, Supla's present.
Suplas present. Binay, are you there? Priyadarshini? Whose name am I leaving, Shalan, from section C? The total says 42, 41 names are with me. Any idea? Am I leaving anybody's name?
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I am present.
Who?
Ma'am, Nivedita Dash.
Nivedita, okay. No, I'm asking whose name did I leave? Whose name is there but not in my list?
Ma'am, Sandeep.
Sandeep.
Sandeep Kumar. Sir.
Sandeep is here. Can I see him?
No, ma'am. He is not present.
Because the total strength is showing 42, but name I'm having only a 41.
Morning, ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am, according to
Shambhavi,
the new list, Sandeep is there.
Shuruchi,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Shavi present.
okay. Jigyasa, S. Aditya, Anubhav Malik, Abhishek Mishra, Atirup Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Ansuman,
Present, ma'am.
Romeo Ranjan,
Present, ma'am.
S. Repre joined. Romeo Ranjan,
Present, ma'am.
Ronak,
Present, ma'am.
Rupam, Jagjit,
Present, ma'am.
Varun, Varun, are you there? Jaideep,
Present, ma'am.
only 43 are present today.
Door.
Okay, at the end, I will just ask.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Anindra is
coming to
present.
our studies now. Tell me now, yesterday I had given you 10 questions, 10 or 12 questions I had given you yesterday.
12. 12.
And I have uploaded them also. Tamanna joined. Okay, at the end I will mark it. Okay. Now let us continue with our class. Yesterday, all the 12 questions what I had given you, that I have uploaded in our site also. If somebody have written something wrong or missed out, somebody remain absent, can refer it.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me any doubt if you had.
I saw the document, it was showing up to only 11 questions,
What?
not the 12.
I have uploaded 12. Let me see. Let me check it. Yes, 12 questions I have uploaded.
But in app it's showing
But
only
ma'am, it's
11.
only showing 11.
Okay,
Yeah,
after the class, I'll check it again. Okay.
Ma'am, open the document, it will show 11.
Okay, I'll check it. But I have dictated, I think you had written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Ma'am,
doubt?
because of network connections today, I
Yes,
was
ma'am.
not in the meeting during time, so.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Abhishek Mishra and I am present.
But I will mark you at the end of the class. Okay. Now let us continue with the class. Those I have not marked and joined late, I will mark them present at the end. Don't worry. Now coming to some extra questions again. If
Ma'am,
you
I
do
have
not have
doubt
any doubt,
11 and
otherwise
12.
Am I clearly audible to you, Chalan?
Ma'am, I have doubt in 11 and 12.
Yes, ma'am.
11
Ma'am, I
and
have
12,
doubt
fine.
in 11.
Okay, I will solve it for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the board visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And my voice also clear to you?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, number 11. P is the midpoint of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD. Let me draw parallelogram ABCD first. A, B, C, D. P is a midpoint of side CD. Midpoint is P. Let me note it down first on the figure. A line through C parallel to PA. So let me join PA. Now I will draw a parallel line to this PA through C. Is that clear? This is visible to you, children. This is the midpoint. That means this is equal to this. And P is the midpoint. Through C, I have to draw a parallel line to AP. Is that clear? Answer me,
Yes,
children. Otherwise, how will I proceed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Intersects AB at Q. Intersects AB at Q. Prove that and DA produced at R. DA produced at R. Prove that DA equal to AR. We have to prove DA equals to AR and CQ equal to QR and CQ equals to QR. This is what we have to prove, right? Now come to the point what is given to us. Now this is the question actually. What am I going to prove? One bit, second bit. Now before that, write down what all given to you. Is that visible? And any point you feel difficulty, immediately ask me. Okay?
Yes,
At
ma'am.
any point you feel difficulty. Now what is given? P is the midpoint. That means CP is equal to DP. This was given to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And what else given? AP parallel to CQ. This is given to you. Now mark it. They are parallel. Before I move to prove, DA is equal to AR and CQ is equal to QR. I have to prove this equal to this and this equal to this. What will I use here, Univator? Midpoint theorem. Could you get the
Okay, ma'am.
idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer loudly,
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Now consider triangle RCD. Will I write or I'll explain? It will be enough to you. Tell me. Will I write or I'll only explain?
Please write.
Louder. I'll write it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That you
Yes,
speak,
ma'am.
otherwise how will I know what you want? Now, start the proof. In triangle RCD, what do we get? DP is equal to CP. Why? Given and PA parallel to CQ. Why? Reason is given. Intentionally I am giving you all this because directly this way I could not teach you this theorem. So how to use it? Midpoint theorem of triangle has been already uploaded as a video form. You have gone through? Yes or no? No idea?
Yes, ma'am.
You have gone through. If not gone through, you could have
Yes,
gone
ma'am.
through. Extra marks also accessed by
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Extra mark also accessed by you. In our site also, we teachers have uploaded the video of this proof. Now, just see, in this triangle, this is the midpoint of one side and parallel to the other side. That means, if any line passing through midpoint of one side, it is also meeting at the other midpoint. That means A is midpoint of BR.
Yes, ma'am.
Agree? Implies that according to midpoint theorem, A is midpoint of RD. Therefore, DA is equal to AR. This is the first one proved. This is the first one. Then, what else you have to do? CQ equal to QR. Again, the same thing, children. This is parallel to this. If in this triangle, this is the midpoint. First, after proving in this triangle, you forget about this parallelogram now. Parallelogram base is given, that is why this combination of quadrilateral and the triangle I had given you. These are the implementations of the theorems based on your triangles as well as parallelograms. Wherever, whatever required, you have to use. Clear? No,
Yes,
sir. Facing difficulty to understand?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now, if you see RCD triangle again, same triangle only we are considering. Now, this is parallel to this because they are opposite sides of parallelogram. If A is
Yes,
midpoint
ma'am.
of BR, then definitely it will intersect at the midpoint of RC. That means RQ is equal to CQ. This is what we have to prove.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Again, CQ is equal to QR. Why? The reason to be written, as I have written here the reason, you have to write down CQ equal to QR because this is the symbol when we want to write because. Therefore, it's just opposite. Now, therefore, this equal to this because CD parallel to AQ and A is midpoint of DR, which already in the previous part we have proved. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything more you need?
Question number
Do
11.
you need anything more, Chalan?
Ma'am, can you
Number 11.
Louder, I couldn't hear you. Yes, Chalan, tell me.
After that proof?
No, not audible by me. What you want?
Ma'am, I proved
Ma'am,
this without using the midpoint theorem. Does question still count?
Again. Not able to listen you, Chalan. Yes, I'm waiting for your answer, Chalan. Time getting wasted.
Ma'am, I have a question. I have proved this without using the midpoint theorem. The answer still count?
No, not audible at all. Please type, let me see in the chat. I couldn't listen you, Chalan.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Now somebody's voice I could hear. I don't know who is talking.
Ma'am, can you please understand us question number 11?
What I was explaining so far now, it's 11 only.
Ma'am, it's 12.
No, it is 11 I was explaining.
Ma'am, 11 question was ABCD is a triangle.
Point of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, a line through C parallel to PA intersects AB at Q.
No, ma'am, it's the number 12. As we have written, it's the number 12. But question number 11 was ABCD
That means
is a
you
triangle.
want the next question also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I'm not able to listen you, better you type so that I can
Okay, ma'am.
follow you. Okay. Now, here again you have to use the same midpoint theorem. If I will draw the figure, you will able to understand. Will I rub it or it will be there? I will show you here only. ABC is a triangle. A, B, I am drawing your scalene triangle. A, B, C is a triangle. B is a point on AB such that D is a point on AB such that it is 1/4. This is 1/4. This is your D. That means this part, this part, this part, and this part, they are equal. I have made it 4 parts. And E is a point on AC such that AE equals to AC by 4. Again, divided into 4 parts. And join it. Prove that BE equals to 1/4 of BC. This is again implementation of the same midpoint theorem. Both the questions I had given you from your midpoint theorem only. Look now. What we did, we just took a triangle. Scalene triangle. Whenever general question given to you, you consider a scalene triangle always. Am I clear enough?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
the
Yes, ma'am.
figure clear to you all, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let us proceed now. Now, just consider this triangle. I have marked the midpoint also. Let me join it with dotted line. Is it clear to you? If I join
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
midpoint of AC and AB, let it be PQ. Okay. If I join the midpoint of AB and AC and that line segment is the this dotted line PQ. Now PQ will be parallel to BC as well as half of BC according to midpoint theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
Agree? Yes and no. According
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
midpoint theorem, by construction I have joined the midpoints of AB, P point and Q of AC. So what am I getting? PQ is parallel to BC and PQ also BC by 2. This is according to midpoint theorem. Now you forget triangle ABC. You consider only APQ in triangle APQ. APQ. What do you get? Now I have marked 1/4 of AB means E is midpoint of AP. E is midpoint of AQ. Yes or no? Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what
Yes,
will
ma'am.
we get? Because D and E are midpoints of AP and AQ, we get DE is parallel to PQ. If parallel to PQ, then DE equals to PQ by 2 according to midpoint theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if DE equal to PQ by 2 and PQ equal to BC by 2, you just replace the value of PQ in the place of this equation. Now BC by 2, BC by 2 into 2, and that's equal to BC by 4. This is one way after considering this midpoint theorem I have proved. Even you can do it in one more way. I'm just giving you idea. There is no hard and fast rule. Only one way will be there to prove the deductions or the implementations, whatever given in the question. Is that clear? What
Yes,
you can
ma'am.
do, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
join this, make a parallelogram. Through E,
Yeah, ma'am.
you can draw a parallel line here. Understood? And directly you can show this is a parallelogram and this is equal to this. So this is 1/4 of this after passing a parallel line here.
Yeah, ma'am.
So many different ways to prove any one question. There is no hard and fast rule that you will be proving only the same way as I'm showing you. You can use some different methods also. Followed me?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Some more
Yes,
questions
ma'am.
will I give you today?
Ma'am, can you please discuss the answer?
No, louder.
Ma'am, can you please discuss, ma'am, tell the answers of the question so that we will be clear about the answer, it is wrong or right?
Okay, let us do one thing. I will upload the answers in our site. I hope that will be okay.
Ma'am, only the answers you can upload, we can see.
Only answers, no steps required for you.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, that also
Yes,
I will do.
Thank you, ma'am.
I will give you some more questions. Every day, if we are not dealing with something more, we will be lagging behind.
Yes.
So how many will I give? Now time is getting up. Only 5 today I will able to give you.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down. Let me draw the figure here.
I'm not able to see the figures here.
Copy
Ma'am,
down
we are
this
not
figure.
able to see the entirety.
Yeah, ma'am, not able to see the figures over
Ma'am,
there.
not able to see the figure
You will
clearly,
able
ma'am.
to see. Wait a minute. Let me draw. I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
CD, P. This is A. This is B. Is it seen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down now. Copy the figure and the question on it. In the given figure, right hand side corner figure, that's your question number 1. In the given figure, lines AB and CD are parallel. Over. And any point P lies between these lines.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Prove that angle ABP.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Ma'am,
the
please
question.
repeat.
Prove that angle ABP plus angle CDP equals to angle DPR.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question from the
Ma'am,
starting?
can you repeat the entire
Did you
question?
finish?
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
repeat it. Don't worry. Again, I will
Ma'am, please
put the
again.
questions in the site also. Somewhere if you are missing, you can copy down.
Yes, ma'am.
In the given figure, lines AB and CD are parallel and any point P lies between these lines. Prove that angle ABP plus angle CDP equal to angle DPR. Okay? Now go to question number 2. Prove that the two lines that are respectively perpendicular. Prove that the two lines that are respectively perpendicular to two parallel lines
Perpendicular.
to two parallel lines TO2, TWO2. Okay, two parallel lines are parallel to each other. Now write down one more question. I think I'll able to give you 3 questions only. Time getting up. If possible, we will be continuing after I mark present to those who were absent at the beginning. Now 45 attendance showing to me. Those who joined late, I have to mark them. Okay. Now write down. Am I clearly audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In triangle ABC, angle A minus angle B equal to 15 degree. And angle B minus angle C equals to 30 degree. Find angle A, comma angle B and angle C. Now I want to give you 2 more questions with figures. Before that, let me just call out those links I marked. Anindya had shown me. Anindya, I hope you are there. Anindya, am I audible to you? Are you there? Anindya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I had seen you. Fine. Harapriya, not present for a single day. Any idea about your friend Haripriya? No. Okay, then Rima Panna. No. Saloni? Saloni, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Shraddhanjali? Pradhanjali, are you there? Susri Sarmistra?
Present, ma'am.
Message me, fine. She was present. Then coming to Atman. Atman, are you there? Atman? No. Vishwaranjan Ekka? Hare Krishna Barik? Harshit Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Who? Hare Krishna Barik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Harshit Singh Dev. Out of 56, according to my register, only 45 are present, 11 are absent. Harshit is also absent, it seems. Okay. Mukesh Kishan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shumit Behra, not present for assembly day. Vinay Bag. Vinay Bag. Priyadarshini Dhar. No. Jigyasa, I think you joined late today. Okay. Then Anubhav Malik.
Ma'am, he is absent.
Abhishek Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Rupam Bhuya. Barun Naik. Rupam, are you there? Mukesh Kishan is there.
Present, ma'am.
Mukesh, you did not answer me when I called you.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Anyhow. Varun, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Rupam, are you there?
Present.
Rupam is also there. How come it is 45 showing? Who is absent and others given attendance then? Okay. How did you enjoy? Tell me. Definitely, whatever I wanted to give you at least 5 questions today, that I will upload in our site. You can copy them down and work out. Answers you want, any clarification you want, I will give it to you in the next live class. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. And you will upload another 2 questions also.
Yes, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, you will upload 5 questions.
Yes.
And then we'll write and we will do.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So, time getting up will be a wind up, or you want to share something with me? Any part you facing difficulty, you keep record with you and you do ask me when we are coming for the live class. Okay?
Ma'am, in the question number 11.
No, I could listen you.
Yesterday.
Tamanna, Jaydev. I marked you present. Jaydev, which one you could not follow? Tell me. Jaydev?
Ma'am, you have written in the board.
Question number 11.
Yes, ma'am.
You have
But
to consider.
now I understand.
You understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to consider the triangle after extending the parallel line through C. Mid-set R. R, C, D triangle you have to consider. Then you will able to understand one parallel line to CR, one parallel line to CD. Because it is going through midpoint, it is also intersecting the third side.
Excuse me, ma'am.
At the midpoint only. This is your midpoint theorem. Have you not understood midpoint theorem, children? Tell me. Have you understood midpoint theorem or not?